Hello to all traders. Indices today, so we're gonna explore what is the outlook for both the US index and also the S&P. I want to start with the US index 4 hours chart. We're still moving according to our plan. We've had this multi-month, was it, top around 99.67. Since then, we saw this as a bearish opportunity, which seems to be playing out pretty well so far. We've had intermediate wave 1 drawn that is going to take prices around, potentially take prices down to 95.84. Now we are in the midst of minor correction 4. Okay, we've had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 done, and we are moving up for wave 4. This wave 4, because of its impulsive structure, is going to most likely turn out to be an ABC. So we can expect prices to start correcting. To be honest, from this week onwards, and we should be seeing a minute wave B and then a minute wave C that is going to end this correction, and then we should be continuing lower with another impulsive move to complete wave 5, which is also intermediate wave 1. Now, of course, if we break above this level, which is the 98.62, then this would change the outlook, because this move to the downside would not be any longer impulsive. Okay, on the RSI and also on the MACD, we are not really seeing any signs as we speak, but shortly we might be able to see some biases that would be signaling a move to the downside, a correction. Okay, that is going to be B and then C. Now on the S&P has been a bit tricky. We've talked about this being potentially in the longer term a triangle, right? That is A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? We talked about this being wave 3 the other day. Now, and because of the new high, of course, what I did is that I've moved this wave 3 over here, right? Let me just zoom in a tiny bit so that we can see that a little bit better. There we go. So we've moved that over here. And what I did is that I call this as a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 of this potential triangle, right? Whatever the case is, whether this ends like an ending triangle or not, what we can say for certain is that this is a triangle, okay? So we can really treat it as a wave B over here, right? So the wave C that we can expect to see, and if, of course, the zigzag tendency, to repeat itself in terms of a momentum, let's say, we should be able to see at least the 32.47 level driving bulls a little bit higher. Now, currently, we are, of course, below. We are around 3100s, and should be looking at the 61.8 extension around 32.50. In case that breaks as well, it might be the case, okay? We should be looking at, hold on, we should be looking at prices going up to around 3500s, which is going to be a new fresh high, of course, right? Now, if we get a rejection down here, then we should be able to see, we could see prices moving down for wave 4, that is around the 2670. And this is all for today's Market Insights.